So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make $5K per month using ChatGPT and Canva. So first off, for those who might be new to these incredible tools, let's break down what they are and how they can revolutionize the way that you work. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge AI tool developed by OpenAI that is changing the game for content creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses alike. At its core, ChatGPT is designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. This means that it can assist with a range of tasks, from crafting well-written emails to generating creative blog post ideas, and even providing customer service by answering questions in real time. It's like having a virtual assistant who's an expert in communication and can work 24/7 without a break. Now let's talk about Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform that's all about making design accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience level. With its intuitive drag and drop interface and vast library of templates, fonts, and images, Canva empowers you to create professional looking designs in minutes. Whether you're putting together a business presentation, designing social media graphics, or creating an ebook cover, Canva has the tools and resources to help your project shine. So why combine ChatGPT and Canva? Imagine this. You use ChatGPT to write a compelling blog post, and then you turn to Canva to create an eye-catching graphic that summarizes the key points of your article for social media. Or you create an informative ebook with content generated by ChatGPT and use Canva to design a stunning cover and layout that will grab your audience's attention. So the combination of ChatGPT's writing capabilities and Canva's design prowess makes for a dynamic duo that can help you produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. This synergy not only saves you time and resources, but also provides a consistent and professional look to all your materials, which is essential for branding and building trust with your audience. By leveraging the strengths of both ChatGPT and Canva, you're not just streamlining your content creation process, you're also setting yourself up to offer a diverse range of digital products and services. This can open up a new revenue stream for your business and get you closer to that dream of financial freedom. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and these tools are here to help you do just that. So to make the most out of any tool, you need to understand its features and capabilities. So let's start by taking a deeper dive into what ChatGPT and Canva can offer you. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI, is not just a text generator, it's a versatile AI that can engage in conversations, provide informative answers, and create written content that feels authentic and personal. So here's how you can harness its features. Content creation. ChatGPT is adept at generating articles, blog posts, and even entire chapters for books. You can prompt it with a topic and it will deliver structured and coherent content that aligns with your tone and style. Copywriting. Need catchy phrases or compelling calls to action for your marketing efforts? ChatGPT can draft multiple versions for you to choose from, saving you hours of brainstorming. Customer interaction. You can set up ChatGPT to answer FAQs for your business, interact with customers on your website, or even handle preliminary customer service inquiries, all in a conversational tone that engages the user. Personalization. Whether it's emails, invitations, or personalized messages to your audience, ChatGPT can tailor the content to the recipient, making each interaction feel one of a kind. Now moving on to Canva. It's your visual workbench, offering you an array of features to make your content visually appealing. They have a template library with thousands of pre-designed templates. Canva gives you a head start on creating professional designs for anything from Instagram posts to presentation slides. Customization. You can personalize any template with your brand's colors, fonts, and logos, ensuring everything that you design aligns with your brand identity. Ease of use. Canva's user-friendly interface means you don't need complex skills to create high-quality designs. It's a drag and drop feature, and it allows you to intuitively arrange elements on your canvas. Versatility. Canva isn't limited to static images. You can also create animated graphics, videos, and even print materials like business cards and flyers. Collaboration. Work with your team in real time, provide feedback, and share designs seamlessly, making Canva a collaborative space for bringing ideas to life. By understanding and utilizing the strengths of ChatGPT and Canva, you can create a workflow that not only generates content more efficiently, but also ensures that it is engaging and polished. You'll be combining the power of AI-driven written content with top-notch design, all in a way that can captivate your audience and set you apart in the digital marketplace. Let's get ready to unlock the full potential of these tools and elevate your business strategy. So the second step is going to be finding your niche. Success in the digital world often begins with a well-defined niche. Your niche is the specific market segment that you're aiming to serve, and it's crucial for establishing a clear and consistent brand. So here's how you can pinpoint your niche and understand why it matters. Number one is to identify your interests and expertise. What are your passions? What are you passionate about? Where do you have specialized knowledge? Your niche should intersect with what you love and what you're good at, because authenticity shines in content creation. The next step is to do your research. The next step is to do research market demand. Is there a demand for what you're interested in? Use tools like Google Trends or social media analytics to see what people are talking about and searching for. Your niche should have an audience that is actively seeking information or products. Then you're going to analyze the competition. Look at potential competitors. Is the market saturated, or is there a gap you can fill? Your niche should be specific enough to reduce direct competition and allow you to stand out. Then you're going to define your unique value proposition. What can you offer that others can't? Your UVP is a clear statement that describes the benefits of your offerings, how you solve your customers' needs, and what distinguishes you from the competition. Then you're going to test your niche. Before fully committing, test your niche. Share some content and see how the audience responds. Your niche should resonate with your audience, leading to engagement and growth. By identifying a niche, you're not just finding a corner of the market to operate in, you're also giving yourself the roadmap needed to create targeted content with ChatGPT and to design visuals with Canva that speak directly to the interests and needs of your audience. This specificity helps in building a loyal community around your brand and sets a solid foundation for all your business activities. So take the time to explore and reflect on these steps. Your chosen niche isn't just a field you work in, it's the community and the audience that you'll nurture and grow with. With the right niche, you'll be able to produce content that's not only profitable, but also rewarding on a personal level. Next, we're going to move on to how you can turn this understanding into tangible offerings that can generate income. So once you've identified your niche, it's time to create offerings that will captivate and convert your audience. So this step is about developing products or services that leverage your knowledge and meet the needs of your market. So here's how to make the most of ChatGPT and Canva for creating your offerings. First, you're going to start with ChatGPT. You're going to use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm. It's like having a brainstorming buddy, whether you're writing an ebook, putting together an online course, or writing blog posts. ChatGPT can help you get your ideas down, write rough drafts, and even finish parts of your writing. You can then add your personal touch to make it really sound like you. Then you're going to make it pretty with Canva. After you write your content, Canva is great for making it look good. You can make cool covers for your ebooks, fun graphics for your course, or helpful PDFs for your blog. Good looking stuff grabs attention, so make sure your visuals pop. Then you're going to create stuff to sell. Think about what you're making. ChatGPT can help you write things like templates or how-to guides. With Canva, you can make these look professional and eye-catching. And if you're selling your skills, you can also make a great looking portfolio or presentation with Canva to show off what you do best. Focus on the good stuff. Make sure what you're selling is not just nice to look at, but also really useful. ChatGPT can make sure your writing is interesting and helpful, and Canva can help keep everything looking top-notch. Good quality is what makes people come back for more and tell their friends about you. Keep getting better. Listen to what people are saying about your stuff to make it better. ChatGPT can help you understand customer reviews, and Canva is handy for making quick design changes. By always updating and improving, you'll keep giving your audience what they want. So whether you're selling directly through your website or on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, the quality and coherence of your offerings will speak volumes about your brand. ChatGPT can help you write real and convincing reviews, make your click here buttons irresistible with Canva. You can teach what you know, turn your smarts into lessons or online classes. ChatGPT can help you plan it all out and write up your lessons. With Canva, you can whip up presentations, ads, and even fancy certificates for when people finish your course. Rent out your work. Let other people or other companies use your content. If you've made some great stuff with ChatGPT and it looks pro with Canva, other websites or news places might pay to use it. Make money with ads. If you've got a blog or a YouTube channel, You can make money from ads or find sponsors. ChatGPT is good for writing letters to get sponsors interested, and Canva can help you make a packet that shows off how popular your space is. The next step is to market your products. With high quality offerings in hand, it's time to capture attention and convert leads into customers. Effective marketing is the bridge between your products and your potential buyers. So here's how you can amplify your reach and maximize your sales using strategic marketing. Social media marketing. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest to promote your products. Also, you can use TikTok as well. Use ChatGPT to craft engaging posts and Canva to create eye-catching graphics and videos that resonate with your target audience. Consistent posting, interacting with followers, and using the right hashtags can significantly increase your visibility. Email marketing. Build an email list and keep your subscribers engaged with regular updates and exclusive offers. ChatGPT can help you write captivating email copy, while Canva is perfect for designing newsletters that are visually appealing and encourage clicks. Content marketing. Offer valuable content for free to draw in potential customers. This could be a blog, a podcast, or a YouTube channel. You can use ChatGPT to generate informative content that highlights the benefits of your products, and Canva to design thumbnails, infographics, and other visual aids that complement your content. SEO optimization. Optimize your content for search engines to increase organic traffic. ChatGPT can assist in creating SEO-friendly content, including finding the right keywords, and Canva can be used to create images and infographics that are optimized for SEO with alt text and proper file names. Paid advertising. Consider using paid advertising options like Google AdWords or social media ads to reach a larger audience. Create compelling ad copy with ChatGPT and design the ad visuals with Canva to capture attention and drive traffic to your site or products. Partnerships and collaborations. So you're going to team up. Partner with influencers or other businesses in your niche to expand your reach. You can create co-branded content using ChatGPT and Canva that appeals to both audiences, tapping into a new customer base. And then you're going to check the score with analytics and adaptation. Use analytics tools to track the performance of your marketing efforts, see which strategies are working and which aren't, and use this data to adapt your approach. ChatGPT can help analyze customer feedback and responses, and Canva can be used to tweak your visual content for better performance. Marketing is all about connecting with your audience at the right time and place. With a powerful combination of ChatGPT and Canva, you can create a marketing strategy that not only reaches your target audience, but also engages and converts them into loyal customers. So with a solid base of content and initial sales, it's time to think bigger. Scaling up is about expanding your business in a sustainable way that increases revenue without compromising quality or customer satisfaction. So here's how you can scale up your operations using ChatGPT and Canva. Number one is to automate your processes. One of the first steps to scaling is to automate repetitive tasks. Use ChatGPT to automate customer communications, content creation, and even some aspects of content personalization. For instance, setting up automated responses to frequently asked questions can save you a considerable amount of time. Expanding product lines. As you grow, consider diversifying your offerings. If you've started with ebooks, maybe it's time to create a course or a webinar series. ChatGPT can help you draft new content quickly, and Canva can be used to design promotional materials for your new products, keeping a consistent brand image across all platforms. Find new fans, increasing your reach. Explore new marketing channels and double down on those that work best. Use Canva to create assets for different platforms and ChatGPT to tailor your messaging for each audience. Whether it's experimenting with new social media platforms or trying out affiliate marketing, diversification can lead to more traffic and sales. Enhancing customer experience. Use ChatGPT to gather customer feedback and address concerns proactively. Canva can help you design surveys, feedback forms, and thank you cards that show your customers you value their input. Optimizing for conversion. With traffic flowing in, focus on converting visitors into customers. ChatGPT can optimize your sales funnels by creating compelling copy that guides potential customers through the buying process. Use Canva to create A/B tested landing pages to see what converts best. Building your team. As you scale, you're going to need help. Consider hiring a virtual assistant, content creators, or marketers to manage increased demand. ChatGPT can assist with drafting job descriptions, and Canva can be used to create appealing recruitment materials. Leveraging data, using the numbers. Make informed decisions based on your data. Use analytics to understand customer behavior and sales patterns. ChatGPT can analyze and report on data trends, and Canva can visualize these insights into easy to understand charts and graphs for strategy meetings. Reinvest in your business. Finally, you're going to use your profits to reinvest in your business, whether it's upgrading your website, investing in professional development, or expanding your advertising budget. Smart reinvestment can fuel further growth. So scaling your business is an exciting journey that requires a balance of strategic planning and flexibility. With the help of ChatGPT and Canva, you can streamline your processes, create new offerings, and enhance your marketing to reach new heights. Remember, scaling is not just about getting bigger, it's about getting better and providing more value to your customers. All right, visionaries, we've come a long way together in this video. Let's quickly recap the powerful journey we've embarked on, unlocking the synergy between ChatGPT and Canva to not only enhance your content creation, but to also build a sustainable income stream that can really thrive. So we kicked off step 1, understanding your tools, where we got familiar with the capabilities of ChatGPT and Canva, setting the stage for effective content creation and design. In step 2, we talked about finding your niche. We navigated the importance of honing in on a specific market segment, allowing us to target our efforts and establish a strong brand presence. In step 3, we talked about creating your offerings. We used our tools to produce valuable and marketable content, from ebooks and courses to engaging blog posts and social media content. Step 4 was about monetizing your content, where things got real exciting as we explored various avenues to turn our hard work into cold hard cash, tapping into direct sales, online marketplaces, subscriptions, and more. With step 5, we talked about marketing your products. We turned up the heat, driving home the importance of reaching your audience through different channels and engaging them with compelling content and converting leads into sales. And in step 6, we talked about scaling up. We discussed strategies for growing your business, enhancing customer experience, and optimizing your operations for increased efficiency and profit. Remember, the journey to success is ongoing. The landscape is always changing, and so should you. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and stay visionary. Use the tools at your disposal to keep pushing the boundaries of what you can achieve. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button and share it with someone who could benefit from it. Your support means the world to me and helps this channel grow, which in turn allows me to bring more valuable content your way. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. I'm here to support you on your journey to becoming a visionary entrepreneur in your own right. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep building, keep dreaming, and keep making things happen. Here's to your success and the unlimited potential on your path ahead.